So this first bit of the video might not make much sense if you haven't seen the previous video. So if you don't care too much about this, either go back and watch the previous video first or skip to 11 minutes and 10 seconds to get to the camping stuff. Enjoy the video. Okay, so we got the pull cord all situated here. It's a little bit floppy. It's not as tight, but that's fine. It doesn't really get tight. We think that it should work. The muffler's still off, and this thing's loud with the muffler. So we're gonna pull on it, see if it starts, and see how loud it is without the muffler. All right. Okay, we got gas. Is this supposed to sound like that?
Okay, we're putting the muffler back up.
Do it one more time. It didn't even run.
Do you hear what that sounded like?
Holy smokes. Thing is noisy.
Crispy? Gosh dang.
Yeah, we're gonna put the muffler back on.
Also, I feel like there's less pull cord than there was, because that's max.
There's definitely less.
Which is 2 or 3 compressions. So, it'd be a little bit harder to start when it's cold, you know?
Yeah. Great.
I feel like we could have packed more rope in there, but I don't know exactly how we would have done that.
All right, we're gonna put the muffler back on real quick.
Fine.
Got the muffler back on.
Broke your RPM gauge. You want to try to fix that? Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna fix this, put some sheet metal on here, I think Rango's saying, and then put some rivets in it.
Yep.
And then
Very nice.
possibly re-duct tape the seat because it needs it desperately.
Come on, man.
I think that's about it, and I think she should be ready to go.
Has a spare tire. Oh, never mind. The tire fell out.
Guys, look, it looks factory, right?
Very.
Oh, it's okay. So I think we're gonna put 1 or 2 here because there's a big crack right here. This one's all cracked, and then there's a crack down that way, and then there's one on this side here. We're gonna put another one there, and then across here maybe. And then we're also gonna go get some, like, I don't know, fabric tape, and I'm gonna tape up the seat while he's doing that. So we're gonna go get that right now. That looks disgusting. Yes.
Why is your roof so low?
Yeah, we got it. We ended up just getting normal duct tape instead of, you know, the fabric tape or something.
We couldn't find it.
It's not in there. It worked fine.
Gorilla tape, man. It's buku like gorilla.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
He's back.
He's back.
Got duct tape. That's actually it.
Yeah, that's all we did. Crispy.
Yeah, man. Guys, it's got character now. Look at it. It looks so cool. We got the seat all taped up here. She's all ready to go. Don't know how long that'll last, but it'll last for at least a couple days.
At least.
The hood's all good and set up, and I think we just got what? Nice. We got the pull cord all situated somewhat.
It's a little bit sketch still, but you know, good enough for who it's for.
It only pulls 2 cylinders, so you got to do it a bunch to get it going.
Why is it not going back in?
Mechanics.
Why?
What?
Working fine like an hour ago.
What the heck, meow? Now we gotta pull the muffler out and pull it back.
Just push it back.
I wish it was that easy. How did...
Is it just not? Is it? There's just no spring tension. Hold that up, Matthew. It's gonna fall down.
Back in. I'm holding. Do magic.
I don't know why it would have done that. Ah! Jay. Okay, hold on. Let's see if I actually poke through anything here.
What the heck?
I almost hit those wires. Yo, so it's been like about an hour or so since we pulled this thing out and it didn't work anymore again. And the other boys have left, so it's just me. I got the thing back together. I think we got her all good and stuff. Matthew put a Mountain Dew can on the muffler, so instead of the muffler, so I'm gonna start her up and see how she sounds. And then we're gonna put the actual muffler back on. That is why you don't let Matthew mess with anything. I had to flood it out because somebody bumped the key and unplugged it, so the key didn't shut off the machine. And the kill switch is already unplugged, so that this safety switch doesn't work. because if that safety switch worked, this machine would die every time you let off the throttle. It sounded better than with the can off, but we're gonna pull her out and put the regular muffler on now. Oof, this hood is so goofed. There we go. Look at her. She looks amazing. You got riveted patches all along the hood. And then we got duct tape on the seat. Time to pull her outside. Look at this here, boys. She is running smooth. She starts. Still a sketchy machine, but job well done. Hey yo, let's steal this GoPro!
Hey Reagan! We're gonna take your GoPro!
Hi, Sarah!
Okay, so we're out here at 4 Mile Lake once again. Maddox there, the kid in the helmet. It's his birthday. He wanted to go camping, so we got the sleds all loaded up. We got the good old 300 free ride. Dad's Scandic, and then we got the good old Indy here. You know, from the last pass drop as you saw, packed up the hood, duct taped the seat, and took the windshield off. So she should be good to go now. Let's get right into it. What did you find?
Muskrat.
Dead muskrat?
He could work as a boomerang.
Oh.
Do you think his fur is any good?
If you thaw him out, probably. It didn't look like he's been frozen for very long.
Yeah, like maybe since yesterday. I want to thaw him out. So.
Tyson and I are gonna go out and check out the rest of the lake and see if there's any bad ice, and then play around on it and see. come.
What?
Wanna ride?
I don't think I feel safe.
What do you mean? I'm completely safe.
Said 49.
It's actually about right.
Battery percent?
Coffee. It's day 2. I think last night was the first night that I slept a full 12 hours in a really long time. It's pretty great. Not sure what the plan is today. They're already out there, just, I don't know if you can see them, they're pretty far away, but the kids are out there messing around on the lake, finding things, exploring. I think it's about like 9:30, 10-ish right now. I woke up about an hour ago, flew the drone around a little bit, as you guys saw. We might, not sure what we're going to do today. I think they're going to try to do some fishing, possibly see if fox or wolf will come in, do some riding. I don't know. Whatever we end up doing, it's going to be a good time. So, stay tuned. And I guess I should probably get into the day. It's like 10 o'clock. And I'm still not in the day yet. Yeah. Okay, yeah, bye-bye. Alright, we're gonna see if the snow machine will start. That was easier than I expected. What you doing, puppy? What you doing? Oh, yeah. Alright, Dad and I are gonna go ride around on the lake, just check it out, see what we can find. It's gonna be a good time.